Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. I think it's the 20th of December 2021. This video is done at this time. What we have here is we want to unbox. It's already opened. I've seen it because of the customs and custom stacks and things like that. They have to inspect it, okay, and see what's inside, just in order to know the correct tax value. So it was a really hard experience actually, okay, seriously hard. Okay, I had to go through under the rain and inside the customs here in Lebanon offices, the offices are sort of a little bit sunk in water, okay. Now what you have here is an AmScope. It's a microscope. It's a microscope from AmScope. Okay, it's a 2,500 times power. Okay, application power. Okay, and I ordered also with it some slides. Here, some slides. And this it has here also cover glass. Okay, those are cover classes. Things which I still don't know about, but it's an experience I want to go through. Okay, it's a serious professional, and I'm not making big. It is like this, okay? Because I did not expect it. I was expecting not as long as this. Okay, I was expecting something like here, half the size. Something like this is like the box is around 50 centimeters long. Okay, like this in depth, that view. So let's unbox it. Okay, let's see. I haven't even removed it from its place. Okay, there are lots of eyepieces inside it. This is its first time. Okay, this is Trinocular. It has 3 eye places. Yes, you use 2 and 1 for the camera. Okay, voila, ta-da. Okay. Now here we have eyepieces. This is an eyepiece. This is an eyepiece. This is an eyepiece here. This is a cable for the lamp, the usual one that you get with the PC. Okay. For the lamp below. Here we have this is I don't know, something. It's also some kind of related to the eyepieces. Okay. Let's here one. There is an eyepiece over here. Okay. Multiple eyepieces. This one too. I bought it. It comes with a times 10, times 4, times 20. Okay. There's a special one for the times 10, which comes with a ruler inside it. Okay, so you can measure using it. Okay, this is its first time comes out of this box. Okay. Oh, here. Okay. Oh yeah, this is here another eyepiece. This is 16 times. Yes, this is another one. I ordered it. This does not come with a box, but okay. Yeah, remember that comes with this, but I don't know yet what is this for. Okay, and here is a fuse for the lamp. Okay. And here you have a cover for the microscope. Okay. That's it. Okay, that's all it has. Okay. Yeah, this comes like. Oh yeah, it has this screw, so in order to hold it, so we'll have to hold it like this. Okay, there's a screw here. Okay, this screw in order to hold it, because you can't turn it this way, and you can see this way. Okay, here's this cover here. There's a missing cover here. I don't know where it is. Let's see. There's a missing cover over here. Okay. Alright. And here's a place also. Those here you put an eyepiece, of course. Okay, this is you turn it. You can have it like this. Okay. Here there is a missing cover. I don't know there. Okay. It has this here for dual dialing. Okay, use this. Don't use. You can use this for fine tuning. Okay. And you can put your camera over here. Yeah, it should have somewhere like for the stage here, mechanical stage over here. You can just make it go up and down. Yeah. For the light. Okay, this is for the light stage. This is somewhere for the stage to come. Here. So the stage you can make it up and down this way. I do not notice it. You can. There's nothing wrong with this one. Okay, and yeah. There are markings over here. Okay. Okay, so let's zoom a little bit. So you can see there are markings over here. I don't know what do they mean. And of course you can revolve this with the powers over here. Okay. Right, sorry, I was talking. Yeah, I'm talking about these. Okay. So you can just revolve them. This is what I want to say. Okay. To the size to the power size that you want, the magnification power that you want. Yeah, here's the cover. This is the cover here. Yeah. So it's something like impossible that, and it's not probable that you will be losing anything. Okay, here there's a cover over here. That's it. Okay. So this is and here it has measurements over here, so you can measure. Okay, maybe if I just zoom. Okay, you can see a meter over here. Okay. Yeah, it's by millimeters over here. Okay. Let's see. If you can just zoom it. I don't want to hold it a little bit, a lot. But you can see that it has measures. Okay, measurements. Sorry, I'm saying measurements. Anyway, you got the idea. This one over here, you can just open it like a clip. It holds the slide. Okay. Awesome. Cool. So, and you have here beside it here there's a lamp. I think this is for the lamp. Okay. We'll have to turn the lamp on, but anyway. And the lamp can be turned on from here. Okay. Okay. This is the fuse. I think here the fuse is where you install it. Okay, just in case. And that's it. Good. So, hope that you enjoyed my microscope, new microscope. Okay. Let's see here, let this view like this. goodbye. Bye. Please subscribe and like my channel, and you know, all the other of the YouTube. Bye.